Hello, my dear listeners, and welcome to the Kapil Gupta Career Pod Show, your weekly dose of career clarity, inspiration, and expert guidance. And now, close your eyes for a second and imagine this: bright studio lights, cameras rolling, a buzzing newsroom behind you, and you right at the center of it all, confidently addressing millions of viewers across the country. And that's the power and excitement of being a TV anchor. Now, whether it's delivering breaking news, hosting talk shows, or moderating debates, TV anchors are the faces that shape public opinion and connect stories to society. In India, where television reaches over 800 million people daily, the demand for talented anchors have exploded. From news channels to entertainment shows, sports, and even digital media, TV anchoring is no longer just about reading from a teleprompter. It's about being the voice of truth and the face of connection. So, if you have the charm, confidence, curiosity, and communication skills, this episode is your complete roadmap to becoming a successful TV anchor. Hello, all. I'm Kapil Gupta, career coach, life mentor, and founder of Study Abroad Academy. I'm on a mission to help 100,000 high school students break free from confusion, fear, and self doubt and step into global classrooms, powerful careers, and a life they love. Now, this isn't just about studying abroad, it's about building clarity, confidence, and character. And I do it with coaching, mindset work, and the game changing power of graphotherapy because students deserve more than just guidance, they deserve transformation. So let's begin with the scope. And trust me, it's huge. In India, the television and media industry is worth over 1.2 lakh crore. And according to FICCI EY Media Report 2024, every major news and entertainment network, from NDTV, Times Now, and Ashtak to Republic TV, CNBC, and Star Sports, constantly needs new faces with energy, clarity, and credibility. And it's not just news. Anchors today are needed in entertainment talk shows, reality shows, and sports broadcasting, lifestyle programs, and even digital content platforms like YouTube and OTT. Sports anchors like Mayanti Langer, entertainment hosts like Manish Paul, and debate moderators like Arnab Goswami have shown how TV anchoring can evolve into personal branding, endorsements, and even acting opportunities. Internationally, the scope is equally exciting. Countries like the United States, UK, UAE, and Singapore have thriving media industries that value multilingual presenters, especially Indians fluent in English and Hindi. Indian anchors have already started working with BBC, CNN, Al Jazeera, and Bloomberg, bringing a global perspective with a desi touch. So, yes, whether you dream of being in front of Indian audiences or on global TV screens, this is one career that can take you places, literally and figuratively. And now, let's go behind the camera and understand what a TV anchor's job really looks like. At first glance, it may seem like they just read news or host shows, but the reality is far more dynamic. A TV anchor is responsible for researching stories, writing scripts, interviewing guests, coordinating with producers, and maintaining audience engagement, all while staying calm under pressure. On a typical day, a news anchor might reach the studio early to review the headlines, work with the editorial team to shape the bulletin, and rehearse key segments before going live. And during breaking news, they might go on air without a script, relying on quick thinking, accuracy, and composure. Entertainment anchors, on the other hand, focus on scripting transitions, managing guest interactions, and delivering lively performances to keep the audience hooked. The work environment is fast paced, unpredictable, and exciting. Anchors often work in shifts: morning shows, prime time debates, or late night news coverage, depending on the channel. It's a career that demands energy, presence, and emotional intelligence, because every day brings a new story, a new challenge, and a new opportunity to connect with millions. Let's now talk about how to become a TV anchor and what it takes to shine on camera. So, first, the essential skills. Excellent communication and presentation skills are needed. The ability to speak clearly, confidently, and naturally. Then, strong general awareness. Anchors must stay updated on politics, business, sports, and entertainment. Then, research and storytelling ability, turning complex information into relatable stories. Voice modulation and body language. Yes, a calm, confident tone and expressive gestures. And then quick thinking and adaptability, especially during live shows when scripts may change suddenly. And of course, good appearance and grooming. Television is a visual medium. Presentation matters. And now, what about education? Yes, most successful anchors hold degree in journalism or mass communication, media studies, English or political science, or public relations or performing arts. So you can start after class 12th by pursuing a bachelor's in journalism and mass communication, that is BJMC, or BA in media studies, followed by a master's in journalism or broadcast media if you wish to specialize. And here are some of the best universities in India for aspiring anchors: Indian Institute of Mass Communication, based in New Delhi; then Xavier Institute of Communications, based in Mumbai; then Symbiosis Institute of Media and Communication, based in Pune; then, of course, who forgets Jamia Millia? Jamia Millia Islamia University, based in Delhi, and Asian College of Journalism, Chennai. And if you're dreaming of studying abroad, these top international universities are renowned for broadcast journalism and anchoring. So that is Columbia University, based in USA, for its MA in journalism. Then University of Southern California, once again based in USA, that is the Annenberg School of Communication. The University of Westminster, based in UK, it offers courses in television production and presenting. The University of Leeds, very prestigious, it offers courses for media and communication. The University of Queensland, Australia, for broadcast journalism. And here's a pro tip: while studying, start building your portfolio. Host college events, join your campus radio, or start a YouTube channel. Now, these experiences make you camera ready. And now, let's talk about the reward for all that charisma and hard work. Yes, the salary. In India, beginner level anchors working in regional or local channels can earn around 25 to 50,000 per month. And as you gain experience and move to national media houses like Aaj Republic TV, or NDTV, salaries rise to 80,000 to 1.5 lakh per month for mid-level anchors, and top-tier prime-time anchors with national recognition can earn 10 to 30 lakhs per month, including sponsorships, speaking engagements, and brand deals. Freelance anchors who host events, talk shows, or award ceremonies can also earn 20,000 rupees to 1 lakh rupees per event, depending on their reputation and reach. Globally, the numbers get even higher. In the United States, TV anchors earn between $60,000 and $150,000 per year, depending on network and experience. In the UK, average salaries range from £30,000 to £100,000 annually. And while in Dubai or Singapore, Indian anchors with English proficiency can earn 30 to 50 lakhs annually, and that too tax free. So, anchors with strong personal brands can also transition into motivational speaking, digital hosting, podcasting, or content creation, multiplying their income streams. The future of TV anchoring is transforming rapidly, and it's not just limited to TV anymore. With the rise of digital media, YouTube, OTT platforms, and podcasts, anchors are now evolving into digital presenters and influencers. Today, being an anchor doesn't mean working only in studios. It could mean hosting a live show on Instagram, anchoring an online news desk, or moderating webinars for global organizations. The Indian media industry is expected to grow by 10 to 12% annually, according to the KPMG 2024. And with it, the demand for versatile, well spoken, and authentic anchors will rise too. So, if you love speaking, storytelling, and connecting with people, the stage, or rather the screen, is waiting for you. So, let's wrap up today's episode. Being a TV anchor is not just a job, it's a calling. It's for those who want to inform, inspire, and impact the world with their voice and presence. And it's for those who can turn complex news into meaningful conversations, who can handle pressure with poise, and who can look into a camera and make millions feel heard. The path might be competitive, but remember, every great anchor started small. Your journey could begin from your college fest, a small YouTube show, or even your phone camera. So polish your skills, build your confidence, and keep learning because the world is always looking for fresh, authentic voices, and yours could be next. So, if this episode gave you clarity or motivation, share it with a friend who dreams of being on TV someday. And subscribe to the Kapil Gupta Career Pod Show for weekly episodes on careers that matter, from aviation to media to technology. And remember, your voice has power. Use it to inform, inspire, and influence the world.